Hello guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to download Sony Vegas Pro 14. So let's get started. First, you need to go to this web page. Link will be in the description. Click the download button and wait for it to complete. After download completed, you should have something like this. Let's extract the file on desktop. Open the installation file and wait for it to complete. After that you will have your Sony Vegas installed, but don't open it yet. Now open a second file. That's the patch file. Wait for it to finish. And that's it. Now you have your Sony Vegas Pro 14 installed. Open it and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Leave a like button and smash that subscribe for more videos.